This is such a great equation to practice. Let's do it. First, we will remove the parentheses using the distributive property. So take 5 and multiply by each term inside the parentheses. 5 times 3y will be 15y. Be careful with the negative here. 5 times negative 2 will be negative 10. Next, take 2 and multiply by each term inside the parentheses. So 2 times 6y will be plus 12y. 2 times 7 will be plus 14. Very good. On the right side, we take 15 and multiply by each term inside the parentheses. 15 times 2y will be 30y. 15 times negative 3 will be negative 45. And then bring down negative 24y because it is by itself. Next, we will collect like terms. We will collect y's together and then we will collect numbers together. First, we will collect y's together. So 15y plus 12y will be 27y. Next, we will collect the numbers. Negative 10 plus 14. So negative 10 plus 14 will be plus 4 because 14 is greater than 10 equals. Now let's look on the right side. Let's collect y's together. We have 30y minus 24y. So 30y minus 24y will be 6y. And we will bring down negative 45. It's getting smaller and nicer. I love it. Look here. We have y on the left and y on the right. We need to have y on one side, so it is isolated. So on which side we would want to have y? Okay, we can have y on the left side. It means we need to get rid of 4. So we can take 4 and bring it to the other side with the opposite sign. If you're in the United States, you would subtract 4 from both sides. If you're in a different country like South America or Russia, we take 4 and bring it to the other side with the opposite sign. So we have 27y is equal to 6y minus 45, and we have plus 4, so we will bring it to the other side as negative 4. Now let's simplify. 27y is equal to 6y minus 45 minus 4. What is it? Negative 45 minus 4. It is negative 45 plus negative 4. So you are actually adding two negative numbers together. It will be negative 49. So be careful here. So we have 6y minus 49. What do we do next? We need to have y on one side, right? And everything else on the other side. So we decided to collect y's on the left side. So we take this 6y and bring it to the other side as negative 6y. If you're in the United States, you would subtract 6y from both sides. So we have 27y minus 6y, because here we have plus 6y. So we bring it to the other side as negative 6y is equal to negative 49. So 27y minus 6y will be 21y. And on the right, we have negative 49. Look here, we have 21 times y. To undo multiplication, we will divide. So we will divide both sides by 21. So we have y all by itself. 21y divided by 21 will be 1y, or just y. And on the right, we have negative 49 divided by 21. And we see that this is an improper fraction, so we need to reduce it. Let's reduce it by 7. So we divide numerator by 7 and denominator by 7. We will have minus. So 49 divided by 7 is 7 over 21 divided by 7 is 3. So the answer as an improper fraction is negative 7/3. So this is the answer as a fraction, and let's make it into a mixed number, right? So as a mixed number, what do? We divide 7 by 3. 3 goes into 7 2 times. Let's find the remainder. 3 times 2 is 6. The remainder is 1. So the answer as a mixed number is -2 and 1/3. So this is the answer as a mixed number. Very good. Did this video help you? Smash the like button and subscribe. Keep up your good work, and I will see you next time.